Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and being safe at home. I am Riya Dasani, your English teacher from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. So students, today we are going to start copy work of chapter number 5 before the match. Students, first we will see the internal question and answers. Students, these you don't have to write it in your fair copy, you just have to mark them in your book. Our first internal question is, why was the drill master annoyed at Swami? Why was he annoyed at Swami? Because Swami was continuously dogging him, he was kept on dogging him because he wanted to leave that drill practice, right? So he kept on dogging him because Swaminathan was dogging him, because Swami did not want to do the drill practice that day, he wanted to go for that match practice. So he was continuously dogging the drill master. Question number 2, what was the only thing Swami was afraid of? What was the only thing Swami was afraid of? Because Swami has lied to drill master that he is not well, fine. So that's why he was afraid. If, like, what if the drill master comes and spy on me? That the drill teacher would spy him out on the field, because Swami was lying. He lied to drill master and he went for the match practice. So he was afraid, what if the drill master comes and see me practicing? Question number 3, what was the name of the doctor? Students, what was the name of the doctor to whom Swami went for that fake report? Name of that doctor was Dr. Keswan. Students, you will get all these answers on page number 50. Now we are moving to the new words which you will see in this chapter. Students, these are new words. These you have to write in your fair school copy, fair English copy. These are new words. Number 1, THRASH, thrash. It is your first new word. Your second new word is STEADY, study. Your third new word is UNCERTAIN, uncertain. Your fourth new word is PLEADED, pleaded. Your fourth new word is CONTRARY, contrary. Your sixth new word is MUTTERING, muttering. Your seventh new word is DELIRIOUS, delirious. Your eighth new word is SLIPPED, slipped. Your ninth new word is DECLARED, declared. Your 10th new word is PROSECUTED, prosecuted. Your 10th new word is prosecuted. Okay students, now we are moving to word meanings. Word meaning. Your first word meaning is ANXIETY, anxiety. Anxiety means worry. Anxiety means being restless. Your second word meaning is FORTNIGHT. Fortnight means duration of 2 weeks. Okay, FORTNIGHT, duration of 2 weeks. Pursued. Your third word meaning is pursued. PURSUED. Pursued means chased. Someone means running after someone. C-H-A-S-E-D, chased someone. Your fourth word meaning is pink of health. P-I-N-K, pink of H-E-A-L-T-H, pink of health means very good health. Okay. Students, now we are moving to question and answers. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why do you think the doctor laughed? Okay, why did the doctor laugh? Because Swami told him that he was delirious, and Swami thought that being delirious is having some kind of stomach ache. The doctor laughed because Swami thought that delirium was some kind of stomach ache. Question number 2. Do you think that Swami's plan was a good one? Give reasons for your answers. Was it a good one? Yes, if he had got that certificate, he would have been excused from that drill practice, right? Swami's plan was a good one. If he had a doctor's certificate, then he would have been easily excused from drill class. Question number 3. What was the excuse Swami made to the drill master for not doing the exercises? What was the excuse the Swami made? He said that I was delirious. The excuse made by Swami was that he had not slept the previous night as he had been delirious. Okay. Question number 4. What made Swami thank the doctor? Swami thanked the doctor because he had promised to talk to the principal about excusing him from the drill to practice for the cricket match. Okay, Swami wanted to practice the match. He did not want to attend the drill practice. That's why when doctor said that I'll talk to your principal, Swami thanked the doctor. Swami thanked the doctor because he had promised to talk to the principal about excusing him from the drill to practice for the cricket match. Read the extract and answer the following. There was only one player who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night. Okay, who caused him the deepest anxiety? Who caused Rajam the deepest anxiety? Swaminathan caused Rajam the deepest anxiety. Rajam was very sure that they would thrash the match, but there was only one player he was tensed about. Who was that player? Swaminathan was that player. Swaminathan caused Rajam the deepest anxiety. Why was this so? Okay, why Swaminathan was causing him the deepest anxiety? Why Swami was causing Rajam the deepest anxiety? This was so because a mighty responsibility rested on him and he had not seemed to care for practice. Okay, Swami was a good player. Rajam has given him a responsibility that you have to win the match. You have to practice. This went wrong. B. Why was this so? Why was Rajam so tensed about Swami? Why Swami was causing deepest anxiety to Rajam? Because Swami was not practicing properly. That's why. This was so because a mighty responsibility rested on him and he had not seemed to care for practice, because Swami was not practicing and he had a responsibility to make their team win. C. Pick out the word which mean opposite to calm. Answer is anxious. Anxious means being worried, being restless, so it is the opposite of calm. Make sentences. Now students, you have been given some words. We have to make sentences of these word. Thrashed, T-H-R-A-S-H-E-D, thrashed means defeating someone. Australia thrashed in 2020 cricket match. Australia got defeated. Thrashed means defeated. Australia thrashed in 2020 cricket match. 2. Fortnight, F-O-R-T-N-I-G-H-T, fortnight means duration of 2 weeks. The parcel would reach me in a fortnight. The parcel would reach me in a fortnight means the parcel would reach me within 14 days. Steady, S-T-A-D-Y, steady means not moved, means still. She used a tripod to keep the camera steady. She used a tripod so that her camera does not move. Steady means being still. Fierce, F-I-E-R-C-E, fierce means violent. He was killed in a fierce battle. He was killed in a violent battle. He was killed in a fierce battle. So students, I hope you all have understood the question answers of this chapter. Thank you so much.